Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We have given 3 equal 3, 4 equal 8, 5 equal 15, then 6 equal 1. So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and activate the notification bell. Here on the channel, we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced maths. So now take a good look to this resolution of the logical sequence. 3 equal 3, that's correct, but 4 equal 8, how? 5 equal 15, how? So let's check what's the logic behind it. If we do factorial, basically double factorial, we get in single factorial, we will write 3 factorial as 3 times 2 times 1. But in double factorial, we'll skip one digit. That means 3, then skip 2, write 1. So 3 double factorial is 3 times 1, that is 3. Now comes to next, 4 double factorial. So write 4 times, skip 3, write 2, and then skip 1. So it is equals to 8. Now 5 double factorial is 5 times skip 4, 3, skip 2, 1. So that is 15. So basically what is 6 double factorial? 6 times skip 5, 4, then 3 skip 2, which is equals to 6 times 4 is 24 times 2, 48. So what replace the question mark? 48. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.